Oi, Satellites, Great British Dude here, and this is a Talking Tom TPT episode idea for May Skitty. In this episode idea, Rhonda the waitress is doing a TPT with Angela and Hank, and they disguise themselves as a very tall gent to do some role play and enter Tom's Burger Diner. As the tall gent takes a seat in the booth, Tom arrives in a waitress costume and takes the gent's order. A large cheeseburger with 3 portions of fries and strawberry milkshake. The disguised trio then tucks in, and afterwards Hank lets out a large burp that inflates the costume, making Rhonda look like a hugely chubby bloke. After paying the tip, the posh fat guy struts out of the diner with Hank playfully puppeteering him into wiggling his huge rump. If y'all like this episode idea and this sexy disguise, give this video a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Over and out.